Good evening, everyone. I hope you're all doing fine. Today, I am going to discuss to you what entrepreneurial innovation is about. We are going to dive deep into these strategies and planning process. As an aspiring entrepreneurs, we should be adaptable to changes for our business ventures in order to thrive in our community. With that being said, let's go and find out. So here's a scenario. You are a tourism entrepreneur and you find yourself in a dilemma. Your business is getting stagnant and profits are at all-time low. Obviously, changes should be implemented. Being an entrepreneur means being an innovator. However, when you're innovative, when you submit to changes, there will be risk. Are you ready to take those risks? Well, you should be, or else the business will fail. Risk is never really a negative in terms of business. In fact, most success comes from taking risk. However, risk in implementing changes should be educated risk. So let's get back to that scenario. As a tourism entrepreneur with a struggling business, you can get into what we call product innovation. Product innovation is simply changing your product or service the way that it needs to be. Maybe your product is too unappealing to your customers, or maybe it is lacking your business identity. It could be that your service takes too much expenditure that you are at a loss rather than a profit every time you manage your business earnings. So, product innovation is the way to go. Another thing could be internal struggle with your employees, and so you need organizational innovation. Now, what does this mean? You might ask, should you start firing off your people to cut off salary expense? No, that is not the idea. Pointing fingers at whose fault is not going to solve your problem. You need to start looking onward. You need to innovate on how you treat your employees. It might be your people are slacking because you have been slacking in your leadership. You need to boost workspace morale by not just being an employer or superior, but as a leader. Take charge and they will work with you towards success. Also, in this day and age, innovation means being relevant to changes that was not there when you started your business. To be a successful entrepreneur, you need to always be on trend, especially present-day industries are more inclined to technological advances in business. Being an innovator means you need to adapt to innovations. Technological innovation could make your service more efficient with streamlined system. You could save off from some physically laborious aspects of your operations when you transition to their digital or virtual alternatives. You need to tap into many opportunities presented by technology. But in doing so, you need to have enough insight to it. Before going high-tech, as they say, you need to have done an extensive research and development before implementing those changes. That is what it means for taking educated risk. So you see, these are just few of the many entrepreneurial innovation plans that you could take. There are a lot more out there, but I have just discussed three of the most common and practical things you could do. In business, in entrepreneurship, even in life, change is inevitable. So if change is inevitable, you, my fellow aspiring entrepreneurs, need to be flexible, smart, innovative, and a tactical risk taker. Success means embracing changes. Success in business means taking some risk. Now, while there will be small failures, make your wins bigger and more consistent. You can feel proud that you are intelligent, but you can guarantee success in your life when you are smart. That's all for tonight. Thank you.